think that just means a little like looser.
Boogies?
Alright, we're up here scouting House Rock. See the rabbit behind me? This glassy tongue kind of shifts back here into this white water where it hits a wall. It's a pretty serious lateral.
Piedra de casa es muy bueno. Yeah, follow the glassy tongue to the right side of the tongue, start pulling, avoiding the massive hole to the left, looking at it, being afraid of it, aware of it.
I trust everybody else. I hope I don't drown and sink into the drink.
Should do like wrestling matches on top of this.
Yeah.
Dude, this is, yeah, I'm not really doing so hot.
Do one of those and like kind of like jump onto it with your chest.
Dude, if you could give me a hand.
Yeah. Like that.
Cameras. Yeah.
We did it. We did it.
Howdy.
Howdy!
Alright, well, it's easier on the way down than the way up.
Howdy. This is the Grand Canyon.
And don't hit a ledge. This is Erick Nelson, the artist.
I've just already forgotten this morning, so I gotta commit it to paper before it's all gone.
We are lifestyle specialists.
Regular Ronaldo out here.
How do I look?
Nope.
Got these taters.
Well, put some light on you.
That's like a club rig right there.
Howdy. Hanging out. Reflecting on the day.
I wonder if he likes me.
Oh God!
What did you think of today?
I loved it. It was great.
Best part, probably Silver Grotto.
Found the great unknown. Owl. That's cool. Yeah. What was your favorite part of the day?
Water with barley. Favorite part of the day was seeing everyone happy and just having everything work out seamlessly and the group function as a congealed whole.
Oh yeah. Well, nice work.
Yeah.